Welcome back to the channel. And let me start this off very clearly. I'm not fucking leaving ASST. I'm still bullish, and in this video I'm going to explain exactly why, using logic, price action, and a trader's mindset. I'm traveling right now, but I'm still putting out consistent content for you guys. If you get value from this video, make sure you hit the like button. Let's get into it. ASST is not just another random penny stock that's moving for no reason. There is a real catalyst behind this move, and that catalyst is the SMLR merger, which is expected to be completed around January 13th. When you combine a real catalyst with a low-float, high-volatility stock, that's when you get explosive price action. My base case is simple. Once the merger is officially completed, I believe ASST can at least retest the $1.15 level. If momentum stays strong, moves toward 129 to 135 are very realistic. And if volume really comes in and sentiment lines up, a short squeeze toward $70 is absolutely possible. It's not guaranteed, but it's not crazy either. Now, you cannot talk about AST without talking about Bitcoin. ASST is heavily correlated with BTC. Right now, Bitcoin is pulling back a bit and holding around the 91,000 area. The level we really want to see Bitcoin reclaim is $95,000. A clean break and hold above that level would flip sentiment across the entire crypto market and provide strong fuel for stocks like ASST. What's important to notice right now is that even while Bitcoin has been weak, ASST has done a very good job holding its value. That's a sign of relative strength. Strong stocks don't collapse when the market is weak, and when the market turns bullish, those strong stocks are usually the ones that lead the move higher. Now let's talk honestly about the risks. AST has one major issue, and that issue is dilution. This company has raised capital before, and it can do so again. Because of that, I do not view ASST as a long-term investment. For me, this is a trade, not something I'm planning to hold for years. I'm here to take advantage of momentum and then move on. If you've been trading AST with me, your average is probably somewhere between 85 and 95 cents. That's because entries were taken near $1 and also scaled lower around the 80 area. That puts us in a position of strength instead of chasing price. Now let's talk about my exit plan. I've been very clear about this. I'm looking to sell AST somewhere between $1.17 and $1.38. That does not mean I think that's the absolute top. It simply means I'm a trader. I lock in profits, and I don't let greed control my decisions. If ASST runs to $2 after I sell, that's fine with me. There will always be another trade. My goal is to consistently grow my account, not to catch every single move. There's another important thing to keep in mind. If ASST rallies hard before January 13th, especially into the $1.30 or higher range, there is a strong chance we see a buy the rumor, sell the news reaction around the merger date. That's how markets often work. Smart traders prepare for that instead of getting emotional. It's also important to understand the difference between trading and investing. Investing is about long-term fundamentals and holding through volatility. Trading is about momentum, catalysts, and risk management. AST fits the trading category. If I wanted long-term exposure to crypto, I would rather buy Bitcoin directly or look at something like MicroStrategy. Personally, I don't like YPT Crow asset management companies when I can just own the asset myself. But that's just my opinion. When you look at the overall picture, ASST has strong positives. It has a clear catalyst, high volatility, strong retail interest, and relative strength compared to Bitcoin. On the negative side, it has dilution risk and heavy news-driven volatility. That's why this stock can be great for traders and dangerous for long-term investors. I'm still in AST, I'm still bullish, but I'm also disciplined. If the market moves in my favor, I take profits. If it doesn't, I control my risk. Trading is not about being a hero, it's about surviving and growing your account over time. If you want access to my daily trades, entries, exits, and stop losses, the private community link is in the description. There's a 2-week free trial, so there's no risk in checking it out. If not, no problem. Free content will always be here. Just remember this, don't trade with emotions, trade with a plan. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment letting me know whether you think ASST can hit $1.50. I'll see you in the next one.